Welcome to this IELTS Writing tutorial. In this video, I'll analyze the question type and essay structure, share a Band 8.5 sample essay, and summarize advanced phrases and practical tips to help you write your own essay. Check the first comment for the PDF link. Let's get started. 1. Question. Some people think that top-level authorities of a company should always take suggestions or ideas from employees to make any decision while others disagree. Discuss both views and give your opinion. 2. Question type. Before diving into the structure, let's first analyze the question type. This is a discussion essay. In this type of essay, you must examine both perspectives of a given issue objectively before stating your own opinion at the end. The key is to present a balanced discussion before expressing your view. 3. Essay structure. Let's begin by analyzing the structure of this essay. There are 3 parts to this essay: the introduction paragraph, the body paragraphs, and the conclusion paragraph. The introduction follows a clear and effective format. It starts with a paraphrase of the question, providing context for the discussion. Then, it outlines the 2 perspectives, whether leaders should always consider employee input or rely on their expertise. Finally, it presents a thesis statement, stating that both views will be discussed before giving a personal opinion. Now, let's move on to the first body paragraph. This paragraph presents arguments in favor of considering employee suggestions. It begins with a topic sentence that employee involvement in decision-making can be beneficial. Then, it provides 2 main points. First, frontline workers have valuable insights into operational issues and customer concerns. Second, listening to employees fosters a sense of inclusion and motivation, leading to higher productivity. Next, the second body paragraph presents the opposing view. It starts with a topic sentence stating that leaders cannot always rely on employee suggestions. Then, it introduces 2 key points. First, executives are chosen for their expertise and strategic vision, so they are better equipped to make long-term decisions. Second, excessive consultation may slow down decision-making in urgent situations. The paragraph also highlights a limitation. Not all employees have the knowledge to assess complex business risks. Finally, let's analyze the conclusion. It starts by summarizing key points. While considering employees' ideas is important, leaders should listen to input but make final decisions based on their expertise. The essay then proposes a balanced approach, where leaders consider employee opinions but ultimately rely on their expertise. 4. Sample essay. Now let's go through the sample essay.
The question of whether top-level authorities should always consider employees' suggestions when making decisions is a topic of considerable debate. While some argue that employee input is essential for effective decision-making, others believe that leaders should rely on their own expertise. This essay will discuss both perspectives before presenting my opinion. On the one hand, involving employees in decision-making can be highly beneficial. Frontline workers often have first-hand knowledge of operational issues and customer concerns, making their insights valuable. For instance, a customer service representative may notice recurring complaints that, if addressed, could improve satisfaction. Moreover, seeking employee input fosters a sense of inclusion and boosts morale, leading to increased motivation and productivity. Research suggests that engaged employees contribute more effectively to an organization's success. On the other hand, there are valid reasons why leaders might not always rely on employee suggestions. Executives are selected for their expertise and long-term vision, enabling them to make decisions that align with the company's overall objectives. In urgent situations, excessive consultation can slow progress and harm the company. Additionally, not all employees have the knowledge to assess complex business risks. For example, a junior employee might lack the financial insight to assess the risks of a major investment, which could lead to poor decisions. In my view, while employee input is invaluable, it should not be the sole basis for decision-making. A balanced approach, where leaders actively listen to employees but ultimately make informed decisions based on their expertise, is most effective. This ensures that decisions are both well-informed and aligned with the company's strategic objectives, fostering both employee satisfaction and organizational success.
That's the end of the sample essay. 5. Key phrases. Introduction paragraph.
A topic of considerable debate. Employee input is essential for effective decision-making. Top-level authorities consider employees' suggestions.
Body paragraph 1.
First-hand knowledge of operational issues and customer concerns. Addressing complaints may improve satisfaction. Fosters a sense of inclusion and boosts morale. Increased motivation and productivity. Limited urban living spaces. Engaged employees contribute more to the organization.
Body paragraph 2.
Expertise and long-term vision. Align with the company's overall objectives. Excessive consultation can slow progress. The knowledge to assess complex business risks. Lack the financial insight to assess the risks of a major investment.
Conclusion paragraph.
A balanced approach. Actively listen to employees. Both well-informed and aligned with the company's strategic objectives. Both employee satisfaction and organizational success.
That's the end of today's tutorial. I hope this video helps you improve your IELTS writing skills. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification so you won't miss any future videos. See you in the next video.